Hello there everyone and welcome to Stamford Hill Railway Station. And to kick things off we see the departure of 710-128 and 710-259, working the 1322 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Next up to pass through the station for Greater Anglia is 745-107, working 1 Bravo 70 for Greater Anglia from London Liverpool Street through to Stamford Airport. Rounding the corner for Greater Anglia is 745-109, working 1 Bravo 57 from Stamford Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Next round in the corner for Greater Anglia is 720-552, working 2H32 from London Liverpool Street through to Cambridge North. Arriving next at the station is 710-103 and 710-109, working the 1332 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Enfield Town. Also arriving into the station is 710-120 and 710-111, working the 1336 London Overground service from Enfield Town through to London Liverpool Street. Next to pass through the station for Greater Anglia is 720-570, working 2H31 from Cambridge North through to London Liverpool Street. Passing next fast through the station for Greater Anglia is 745-103, working 1 Bravo 72 from London Liverpool Street through to Stamford Airport. Taking us a little by surprise for Greater Anglia is 745-101, working 1 Bravo 59 from Stamford Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station will be 710-121 and 710-125, working the 1348 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Cheshunt. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 710 114 and 710 115, working the 1352 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.